Manorama lapa vihara viprame. So these, this vihar, we say ban bihar. Bihar means to enjoy, it means pastimes. So they're remembering his face and his glances and his speech, and they're remembering his pastimes. Or a bihar can reflect upon what they're remembering, and so Krishna's speech, his alap, it's because in the middle we have alap. Alap means speech. So Krishna's alap, his speech is manorama. It's very satisfying. It's very delightful. Ramya. It's very delightful and very pleasing to the mind, and very satisfying. But moreover, it's very playful. Krishna's speech is very playful. That's bihar. So it's alapa bihar and alapa manorama. Manorama alapa vihara viprame. So his playful speech and his playing, his pastimes, all these together, it's another vibram. Line 1, the gopis just remembered Krishna's smile, smita, his anuraga smita, and his anuraga ikshata, his deeply passionate, love-filled glances and his smile, and they became, oh, Sham kaha, where is he, Sham? They became totally bewildered. Vibram. And now they remember Krishna's speech, and they become again Vibram. So they're really torturing themselves by remembering Krishna. It's dangerous. We're told everywhere you should always remember Krishna and never forget him. This is the essence of the Upanishads. Always remember Narayan and never forget him. When the gopis are remembering this beautiful dashing hero of Vrindavan, and they're going mad, Vibram.